guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be on this spooky Halloween half school tutorial. So I did like pink on my eyes because all this is like black and white and you can pretty much do it any color you want here, and I put some glitter there. I also put like black glitter here. I feel like you cannot even see it at all, and I put some here and then here. But this is the first time I've done something like this before. I don't think it's too bad. I'm just like trying to have fun, you know? I feel like makeup is all about having fun and just like, I don't know. But yeah, so let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first thing I did was I put pink eyeshadow all over my eyelid. I used the Huda Beauty eyeshadow in Flamingo. So basically what I did, I just put it all over, and you can also do like any other color you want. You can do purple, blue, whatever. I decided to use pink. And then to add more things to my eyes, I used the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in Grind. And it's just like a pink and purple glitter, and I basically just went like that and just added some glitter, and then I got mascara there, so I just ended up putting some there. So, and then I also put some here too. I don't know why, but just to add something. Also here, and then here as well. My face is just very like matte. I don't really have too much bronzer going on. This is from this morning, so I'll just start my face like so let's see. I went to Walmart and I bought these. I bought a black cream makeup and then a white cream makeup, and I'm not gonna start with like a clean face. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it straight on my face because I feel like it'll, I don't know, be better that way. So, and then from Walmart I also picked up some e.l.f. brushes because I'm not trying to dirty my other brushes. I picked up this like angled brush, like a flat one for the white paint, and then just another little blending one. So yeah, so let's open these suckers up. Okay. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, if I can get this out. I'm a little nervous, but okay. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my whole face with the white paint. I'm just gonna go ahead and start from the bottom and work my way up, I guess. So, or yeah, go ahead and do that. Oh my god, I look like Santa right now. Well, my poor lips. Oh god. Alright. Where's the lid? I have no idea. Oh, it's right. Alright, so this part is done. Now I'm going to kind of wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my outline. Alright, so this is kind of dried a little bit, so now I'm going to take the black paint. Ooh. And I'm going to start outlining the skull. Okay. Here we go. Okay. don't even know how this is. Let me see. So basically with this brush, I turned in this way and pressed it, turned this way and pressed it. And then I kind of just go in and fill it in. Line the inside of my lips. Well, it's already like really cracked. It's okay though. It's okay. Gotta keep going. Ooh. So I'm gonna start using my natural shape. So if you go from your ear and you follow that line, it should be right here. So that's exactly where I'm going to start it. So this is most of the outline already. And then now I'm going to be outlining my teeth. So I'm going to try to follow. Oh my god, this is definitely not going to be perfect. Okay, so I kind of went in and added like this line to try to make it look like a jaw, kind of. Yeah. So I took a black eyeshadow from the same palette, and I took a little brush and just kind of went over it to like soften it up a little, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side, and then we'll finish up the video. Okay, so how I got that line, basically, take a little black paint. I created a little space right here. Brought it down a little bit. And so what I did next is I created a line to represent kind of like your jaw, so you can like show it. After I outlined the line, I kind of shaded in as well. So now I'm going to go back in with my black, oh, I was going to use my palette, my black paint, and just kind of touch everything up, go back in, and make sure there's no cracks or anything like that. I feel like going back in with the paint helps it a lot more. So I'm just going back in and trying to make them look like teeth, because they just look like lines and not teeth. So just kind of so now I'm going to go back in with some shading. Definitely helps together. And this does not have to be perfect whatsoever. I am not the best at this. I am literally just having fun and painting my face. I did two different things on even drag it more. Okay, now I'm just gonna, hi kitty, when I just finish fading it out. Okay, and then I think, let me see. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of glitter. Just gonna use my pinky finger and stamp it here just to give it a little. So I'm just taking a regular black glitter and I am poking it on the side. And I'm gonna put a little bit on of my nose. A little bit right here. Can you even tell if you can see it or not? Alright. Well, I think I'm done. Alright guys, well, oh my god, losing my voice. Well, I think I'm finished. This is the completed look. Yeah. This is my first time doing this. I didn't really have a picture on me right here, so I'm just kind of, everything I did was pretty much freehand. So, yeah. Ooh, that looks so cool. I'm gonna go scare my mom right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is my first, this is my first Halloween video. And I know Halloween's on Wednesday and it's kind of late, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't talk too much in the video, but I was really trying to concentrate and make sure I got this somewhat decent. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and happy Halloween.